Parang tulala kayong tatlo, ah. Parang tulala kayong tatlo.
Speechless eh. Sobrang...
Will, dito lang ang tingin. Yun lang yung line niya eh.
Speechless po talaga eh. Pero grabe, sobrang nakakatuwa na makita yung trailer. Grabe kasi yung naging preparation namin. Kumbaga, lahat ng pagod, lahat ng puyat, lahat ng stress na dinanas namin while shooting this film, para naging worth it talaga eh.
Right.
Dito pa lang sa trailer. So nakakatuwa at goosebumps talaga. Sobrang grateful lang.
Dustin.
For me, sobrang iba-iba yung nararamdaman ko ngayon. Hindi ko ma-explain, pero one thing is for sure, sobrang saya ng puso ko ngayon. Worth it lahat. At hindi na ako makapaghintay mapanood yung pelikula kasi talagang napakaganda nito. Promise. As in, ayun lang. Wala akong masabi.
Bianca, your very first lead Star Cinema, GMA Pictures and Regal Entertainment movie. Anong nasa isip mo? Iiyak na yan.
Grabe. Ganito pala pakiramdam maging matupad yung pangarap. Sobrang surreal ng moment na to for me. Sir MJ, parang I've waited for this moment my whole life, ever since bata pa lang ako. Siyempre, I've always grown up watching Star Cinema movies and of course, seeing our very own trailer. Grabe, apaka-rewarding. And, siguro, I don't know, parang natutuwa lang talaga ako para sa little Bianca na nangarap. I'm so proud of her. And dumating kasi ako sa isang point ng buhay ko. Siyempre, alam ng karamihan before PBB na hindi ko alam kung para sa akin ba yung mga pangarap ko. So, to that old version of Bianca, mag-antay ka lang. Darating ka rin dyan. So, maraming salamat po sa mga taong naniwala po sa akin. And those times wherein I really doubted myself, Star Cinema has been there for me since day one. Sabay sila nangarap kasama ako, and through thick and thin, they've always been there for me. So maraming salamat po to Sir Chris Gasman, of course, Tito Cory, Sir Carlo, of course, Direk May was my first director ever. Now we're here. We have our first movie. And of course, thank you so much to GMA. Thank you to Regal. I know na bago lang po ako sa inyo and wala pa po akong napapatunayan. But thank you. Thank you for giving me a chance to do this. Thank you for giving me a chance to share my craft with you. It was such an honor. And ayan, maraming salamat po.
Parang tapos na yung press con, eh, no? Hindi pa.
Sorry.
We're just getting started.
Ako sa emotion.
Medyo emotions lang talaga eh. Sige.
Of course, sorry, add ko
Go
lang.
ahead.
Later ko na lang kayo to think, no? Kasi baka matapos
Oo, mamaya na yung thank you sa dalawa. Baka tapusin mo na, Bianca. Wag muna. Okay, relax ka muna dyan.
Sorry.
Papatiin muna natin lahat na makasama natin ngayon sa ating Q&A. Tal, our birthday girl, ikaw muna. Happy birthday! Go, greet everybody, please.
Hello po, good evening sa lahat, sa mga nandito. Thank you for coming. Tsaka sa mga nanonood sa mga bahay nila. Hello po.
Very ano ka dyan, ha? Millennial ang outfit mo, Tal, ha? Oo, I know. Rain!
Hello po. Congratulations.
Sweet naman masyado.
Hindi ko rin po alam. First time ko rin po manood ng trailer po namin.
So ano ka rin?
So, ayun po, congratulations po, Bianca, Will, and Dustin. Super grabe yung chemistry nilang tatlo.
Right.
I couldn't imagine. I can't even pick myself. But yun, congratulations po. And I'm super happy to be here. It's also my first Star Cinema movie.
Wow, congratulations, Rain. And of course, the queen of punchlines, Cyril Manabat. Ikaw yung mga hirit mo, one-liner mo, Sai, iba eh.
Ayun po, thank you po sa pagsama sa amin ngayong gabi. Thank you po dahil sinamahan niyo po kami na ma-witness po ng first time din yung trailer. And of course, congratulations, Direk May. Congratulations sa inyong tatlo, Dustin, Will, Biancake's. And congratulations sa ating lahat and congratulations po. Puro congratulations. And thank you po so much sa lahat po ng... kasama po namin dito po sa film. Of course, sa crew and staff. Thank
O, di ba maliba ako, Queen of Punchlines, di ba?
Gusto ko na naman
You look
mag-congrats.
amazing, by the way,
Thank you po
Sai.
kahit tinawag niyo po akong Sailor Moon.
I know, kanina. Parang Sailor Moon. It's giving Sailor Moon. Zach, ikaw naman. Please greet everybody.
Aside from congratulating everybody, I just want to say, Bianca, my gosh, I actually wanted to cry when you teared up and everything. Congratulations to you and to Dustin and to Will, to everyone and the whole production. As in, like seeing you grow, it's amazing.
Thank you, Zach.
Birthday.
Ralph.
Happy birthday, Bianca.
Happy birthday, Bianca. Ralph.
There yun. So, good evening, everyone, to our ABS family, our GMA family, and of course, our Regal family, at lahat ng Team Bahay. Thank you for tuning in. The night is young. Maraming aabangan dito sa Love You So Bar. So, let's party!
So, siya yung party tonight, eh, no? Siya yun. Vince, ikaw naman.
Hello, good evening everyone. Siyempre, congratulations sa ating lahat. At sarap lang sa pakiramdam kasi nakaka-proud tong moment na to. Nung nasa loob kami ng bahay ni Kuya, pinapangarap namin magkatrabaho kami lahat. And ngayon, nandito na kami. Masarap lang sa pakiramdam at sobrang saya lang talaga.
Alright. And of course, our box office director, Direk May!
Hello, good evening po sa lahat ng nanonood sa Team Bahay. Thank you for joining us tonight. To those who are here, our bosses, thank you for gracing this event with us from Regal Films, from GMA Pictures, and of course, Star Cinema and ABS-CBN. And hello everyone, let's have fun tonight.
Let's have fun. Hindi ko na kayo napabati kanina, no? Quick reactions kasi if you wanna greet Will, everybody, for coming here tonight sa ating MediaCon.
Yes, of course. Maraming salamat po sa inyong oras na inilaan ngayong gabi. Siyempre, para ma-witness yung milestone kung tatawagin nga naming lahat. And sana po mag-enjoy tayo ngayong gabi kasi kaya yung sinabi ni Ralph, nagsisimula pa lang po tayo. Maraming salamat.
The night is young, di ba? Dustin?
Of course, sa lahat ng mga nagbigay talaga ng oras, napaka-special na araw para sa aming lahat. Maraming salamat po. Gusto ko lang din po batiin ang Regal Films, Star Cinema, GMA Network, of course. Sa lahat, maraming salamat. Ito po ay sobrang espesyal na araw para sa amin. At ngayon pa lang, ramdam na po namin yung suporta nyo. So, punong-puno po ng pagmamahal yung mga puso namin. So, maraming salamat.
B?
Ayan, maraming.
Huwag mong tapusin, ha? Greet
Kaya
pa lang
nga,
to,
feeling
greet pa lang.
ko, tatapusin ko na. Ayan, maraming salamat po sa lahat. Maraming salamat po sa oras nyo. And, ayun, let's enjoy the night!
Ayun, yun
Ganun
ang
lang.
gusto ko. Okay, simulan na natin. Tal, is this your story?
Ano po kami, nag-brainstorm kami nila Miss Van, nila Maren, creative
Okay.
team, and si Direk May. Yun,
In a
nabuo
nutshell,
yung
what
love
is the
story.
story all about?
It's a story of three young people na who got caught in this love story, in this love triangle. And makikita natin, parang kwento talaga siya. Two different kinds of love story talaga siya. Kaya exciting.
Direk May, Tal, etong pelikulang ba to, makikita namin how this generation fall in love?
Definitely. That's a reason why kasi bine-mention yung dahil mahal na mahal kita. It's only inspired by that because iba yung generation na yon sa generation ngayon. Ibang-iba yung dynamics, iba-iba yung and also yung how they relate to each other. It's an eye-opener for the older generation kung paano sila. And also, it's so relatable to their generation na kung paano sila, as in nakikita nila yung sarili nila dito.
Makikita mo rin ba dito na parang paano ka magmahal, ano yung mga maling decisions, right decisions, how to decide on love, ganun ba, Tal?
Yes. Parang ano siya di ba pag bata ka, MJ, parang kinikilala mo yung sarili mo, kinikilala mo kung ano ang love para sa'yo. Kailangan mo magdesisyon kung sino ang mamahalin mo. So, ganun siya.
On that note, for our first question, I want all the cast members to define love. Kasi kami, nung bata kami, ang love is like a rosary that's full of mystery. Aminin mo yan. Dati din, love is blind. Ganun lang yung mga definition namin ng love eh. Now, let's hear it from your generation. What is love? Rain, total beauty queen ka. What is love?
Love is for yourself. I feel like that's where it comes from. So that's where you should root it from, and then that's what you do for yourself as well. So choosing your partner, giving love to your family, your friends, and yeah, loving yourself at the end of the day as well, beyond everything. Thank you.
Zach, what is love?
Hirap yung tanong, no? Pero yung sa akin, love is compromising. So compromising with anything.
You always meet halfway.
Always meet halfway. Logically, no? See muna the facts and just compromise. And don't forget to love the person as much as you can.
Vince.
For me, love. Hirap talaga nung tanong pagtungkol sa love, no?
Hirap talaga. Bro.
Pero...
Hala! Narinig niyo ba yun?
Pagdating sa love, siguro, kapag ginagawa mo na yung mga bagay na hindi mo dapat ginagawa. Yung tinamaan ka ng love.
Okay. I get it. I get it. Ralph, what is love for you?
Sa akin, siguro love is a choice. Love is a choice on how much love you give, how much love you give to yourself, to other people, who you choose to love also. And I feel like dito sa movie, choices are very important. And we will see what choice Savannah will make. Yun ba?
Galing!
Yan!
Dustin. Tal, what is love? Okay, based sa generation mo.
Love? Same lang naman kami ng generation.
Okay. Okay, Tal.
Love, I think, parang may binabago ka niya, feeling ko. For good and for bad.
Ang ganda. Ang ganda. Direk May?
Aminin ko, iba generation ko talaga. I mean, hindi ko naman maikakaila yun,
Hindi
di
ko
ba?
na nga sinabi, Direk eh.
Ano na natin, let's face it,
Okay.
let's confront it.
What is love for Direk May?
Love is putting others before you, putting their needs and their everything before yourself, because alam mo kung parang mas importante yung nabibigay mo sa kanila more than yung ikaw ang tumatanggap, but also not compromising yourself to the point that you lose yourself.
It's selfless. Love is
Yes,
selfless,
yes.
no? Sai.
Dapat po may buzzer. Yun yung sagot ko kasi naunahan ako ni Ralph eh. Pero may explanation tayo babawi. Para po sa akin, love is a choice. It shouldn't come from outside forces. It's about how you love, not to fit other people's standard of love. Hindi siya solid form eh. Para siyang liquid. Wala siyang shape. Wala siyang size. Wala siyang anything. Parang love is flowing. You can never define love with one word.
Love is fluid. Love has no formula.
Love has no shape.
Ganda. Dustin, what is love for you?
For me,
Tumingin sa ka.
Tumingin sa Tumingin sa kanan. Love for me.
Kay Direk May ako tumingin.
Okay.
For me, love is a commitment.
Okay.
Love is everywhere kasi. So, sa work, sa tao, so, pag andyan ka na, pag naramdaman mo na yung love, kailangan mong maging committed. Kasi marami kayong pagdadaanan ng struggles, ups and downs. So, talagang matetest kayo ng bagay-bagay. But then, kaya ako sinabi na love is a commitment kasi,
Alam mo, kailangan mo ng focus dito.
Oo nga, ang ingay kasi
may
ng
mga
kasama ko
naririnig
dito
ka eh.
Kaya ako nasabing love is a commitment kasi, ayun nga, talagang kailangan mo talaga pag-isipan bago ka magmahal. Kasi may masasaktan ka if hindi mo binigay yung 100%.
Are you committed? Hindi, joke lang.
Sa movie na to siya.
Yeah. Will, what is love for Will Ashley?
Wow!
May
Kung sa akin may ganyan. Bakit? Love
love Napakarami kasi eh. Pero agree ako kay... I mean, marami ibig sabihin yung love. Say.
Inuhuli ka ni Cyril eh.
Agree ako sa lahat ng sinabi nila. So, copy-paste. De, ayun, pag-commit talaga eh. Pag-commit eh. Kasi, ayun talaga yung the best thing to do eh.
You give your 100%.
Yeah. And ano pa ba? You give your 100% without expecting anything in return. Parang ganun. Ayan po.
Galing. Thank you, Will. Bianca, what is love for you?
Wala ko aminin ko kasi talaga, Sir MJ. I'm such a lover girl. I love
What do you mean by a lover girl?
Like, I love love. I love talking about love. Gusto ko yung minamahal ako at may
Natatanggap
nagmamahal
kang love.
sa akin.
Yes.
I love love. I think it's so beautiful. Pero siguro, growing up, syempre iba't ibang klaseng love naman yung na-experience nating lahat. Syempre iba't ibang love yung nabibigay natin sa bawat tao na nakakasalamuhan natin. But I think isa lang yung common denominator nilang lahat for me. I feel like love is unconditional. It comes without, again, no conditions. Para sa akin, parang tuwing tinatanong ako, lagi pag-interview, paano mo malalaman kung mahal mo yung isang tao? The thing is, with me, I can't pinpoint it. Ang alam ko lang is that mahal kita. Yun lang. Walang specific reason, walang expectations. I just love you. So I think love is unconditional.
All right, ang galing. O, di ba? We're just getting started. Pero I have the questions right here from our friends on the press. We begin from Push. For Bianca, Will, and Dustin, how was it working together in your first film? What have you discovered in each other? How was it working? Kamusta?
Well, like I always say, ay, sorry, ikaw ba muna? Ikaw na muna. Hala, bakit may Charing! Bakit may paghaplos? Lang. Well, laro. Well, for you, tanong.
How was it working?
Go ka muna.
Pinasa pa sa akin. How was it working? Kasi nagkasama tayo sa loob ng bahay, sinashare natin yung totoong storya ng buhay natin eh. Nakilala ko kayo bilang kayo. Pero nung nakatrabaho ko kayo, nakita ko yung lalim ninyo, yung pagkaseryoso ninyo sa craft ninyo. Lahat kayo, actually. So, siguro yun yung na-discover ko, yung... bless you. Yun yung na-discover ko na parang... wala tuloy ako. Yung pagkaseryoso nila sa craft talaga nila. Kapag nasa trabaho, 100% talaga yung ibibigay nila. And, kamusta? Sobrang naging, smooth lang talaga. Kasi dire-diretso lang. Kasi nakakatuwa na lahat kami hindi nahirapan. Kasi lahat kami nagtulong-tulong talaga para ibuhos ng puso namin para dito sa pelikulan to.
Dustin, how is it working with everybody?
Ako, MJ, alam mo, halos lahat sila first time ko makatrabaho. First time ko rin makatrabaho ng Star Cinema. So, ako kasi bilang tao, napaka-observant kong tao. Kumbaga, pag-aaralan ko talaga yung bawat kilos, bawat kung paano sila magtrabaho. So, lahat sila talaga, habang nasa set kami, talagang hindi nila alam na inaaral ko na yung mga ginagawa nila. So, ang dami ko napupulot, ang dami ko na-discover sa kanila kung paano sila bago mag-action, mag-take. So, nandun talaga ako para matuto. So, inaamin ko naman talaga na ang dami ko talagang napulot sa kanila. Lahat sila dito, sobra.
That's good. B.
Well, I'm gonna be really honest. Grabe yung pressure ko nung nalaman ko, and even every day na every time magte-taping kami, yung pressure bilang leading lady nila pareho. Ganda!
Ano yung line mo?
Ang ganda ko.
Baliktad, yung microphone mo.
Oo, yung line niya. Hindi, seryoso. Because gusto ko lang sabihin na Miss Tracy, Miss Joy, and Miss Annette, you've raised
Raised.
Raised.
No, syempre kasi inalagaan nyo nga naman.
Very raised. I mean, you have two beautiful... Uy, seryoso
Totoo
na
naman.
seryoso.
There's nothing wrong with that.
Hindi.
Anak-anakan.
Ito, seryoso na talaga. Grabe kasi yung dalawang to. Grabe yung talent nila and what they bring into the table. Grabe. So, you have, again, two beautiful souls, two beautiful boys, two... Parang bang niluwal nila sila na? No, seriously. I'm sure you're very, very proud of them. And I see why you put so much trust into the both of them and why you pour so much of your hearts into them. So, yeah. Thank you. Thank you, Dustin and Will, for...
Hindi pa tapos
Wala
ha.
pa pala.
Wala
Oo
pa.
nga pala. Sorry.
Ang hilig mag-ano
Basta
ending
thank
ni
you na.
ano ni Bianca.
Thank you na naman. Sorry. Aba lang. Ayun.